Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, bringing you a full tutorial on how to draw Super Sonic. And as always, whether you're new here or you have been around for some videos, don't forget to like this one and subscribe. Your subscription is very important for us. Your subscription will make the channel grow, and consequently it will help us make more and better videos. So for drawing Super Sonic, we're going to start with this circle here, close to the top of the page. You have to leave some space for the spikes on top, and then let's make this much smaller circle right under it. It's gonna be connected. It's actually an oval, that's not necessarily a circle. We're gonna draw the legs from this point. First one is gonna come from here. It's gonna be really short, and the other one is right here. So I'm going to draw this oval around the end of each one of the legs, because around this oval I'm gonna make the sock. Okay, this is the first one, first sock here, and this curve at the bottom. Let's do about the same with the other one. Now his feet are very triangular, so we're just gonna make really rounded sides for this triangle, like this, and this other foot, imagine it's gonna be on its side. So I'm gonna start marking some elements for his body, and this is gonna be the circle on his stomach. Okay, so his arm is gonna come from here. I'm not gonna make him with his arms folded or anything, or maybe bent. It's just gonna be quite straight, like this. And here we start drawing his glove. So from this point here, we draw his thumb with this curve. I'm gonna try and make this one with some more straight lines, some more angles, and right here, that's the first thumb. And I will build the fingers around it. First one here, with this line here to indicate it's a finger, and the other three are just going to complete the hand. That's it then. Let me just fix this little segment here. Okay, on the other side I'm going to do something similar. I'm just going to represent the arm with these two lines. Make the glove, and it's just gonna be a mirrored version of the other hand. Okay, 5 fingers, and then we close the loop for the hand. Alright, coming back to the feet, I had forgotten that there is this strip going around it. Now working on his face, I'm going to make this line here. He's gonna be kind of facing down, he's gonna be looking forward, but he's actually, his face is gonna be a little down. So remember, he's not gonna be looking up. And from this point in the middle, I'm gonna start drawing his nose. It's gonna be a bean right here. And I'm gonna pull the first spike, and unlike ordinary Sonic, this is gonna be pointing up. There's gonna be another one here on the side, also going up. And the other one. Okay. Now there's gonna be this extra one here, and his tail. His tail is not gonna be showing much. Okay. Now that's what we have to do. We need to go back to the eyes. And well, I'm gonna draw his eye first this time, but if you feel it can be easier, you can start with his mouth. Angry mouth here. And Sonic is kind of cross-eyed. His eyes are gonna be very close to the center. Let's not forget his ear, which is a triangular shape. And the other ear, it's just gonna be on the side. And there is one extra spike that should be here on the side, yes, just to match the other one. This time I'm gonna get a thick liner, and let's do the line work. And that's it, Super Sonic is ready. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And also leave us a comment if you want to learn something specific. Hope to see you guys next time with another tutorial on how to draw our favorite characters. See you soon!